Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda CRV maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip odometer reset button on your dashboard. It's usually located near your speedometer or tachometer. This simple step prepares your vehicle for the reset process, ensuring you can easily access the necessary controls. Let's get started. Now, with the ignition on, press and hold the trip odometer reset button. Keep holding it down for at least 10 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light on your dashboard will start to flash, and then it will turn off completely. This indicates that the system is recognizing your input and preparing to clear the reminder. It's a quick and straightforward action. Once the light turns off, you can release the trip odometer reset button. Then, turn your ignition key completely to the off position. Finally, start your engine as you normally would. The maintenance light should now remain off, confirming that the reset was successful. If it comes back on, simply repeat the steps. You've successfully cleared the reminder. Remember, while this method works for many Honda CRV models, always refer to your specific owner's manual for the most accurate instructions. It's crucial to perform regular, scheduled maintenance even after resetting the light. This ensures your vehicle remains in top condition and helps prevent future issues. Keeping up with service is key to a long-lasting car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.